Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar and we have Honor's latest earphones with us. These are the Moecen, I guess I'm pronouncing it right. These are true wireless stereo earbuds from Honor, which come with some very interesting features as mentioned on the box. That's the 24-hour battery life, dual mic, noise cancellation for calls, and it comes with premium sound quality, IP54 splash and dust resistancy, and at the same time this comes at a MRP of 4000 rupees. Now well, that's a super good pricing because in the recent times there were two other bigger competitions for this. The first one was the Oppo Encode W51 at 5000 rupees, and then at 4500 rupees Realme has launched recently the Realme Buds Air Pro, so another 500 rupees less and you can get this one. And in this video I'll be showing you a complete unboxing and we'll be also taking a look at these brand new earphones. So let's quickly open up this package and take a look at what we get within this box. So here's the quick start guide which we get first in this package, and it's in multiple languages, so it doesn't really matter. Well, that's interesting. For the first time I'm probably guessing we have the earbuds separately packed up, so let me just pull them out. First thing first, this is the case which we get with it. That's a charging cradle or the charging case which we get, and it says for the first time place the earbuds in the case and close it for 10 seconds to activate them. Well, that's interesting. And following that it says avoid frequently opening and closing the case. Well, that's my choice, I don't need your instructions for that. And enable Bluetooth on your phone before taking out the earbuds. Okay, that's interesting. At the bottom we have the Type-C port, and on overall this is what we get. Probably there's an LED notification here, so let us just quickly open these up and take a look at these new earphones from Honor. So the box looks pretty much similar to the Apple AirPods Pro, and the build also looks good. There's a LED notification here. As you can see, it's color changing here. It's in blue right now, and those are the magnetic connectors at the bottom. If you clearly notice, on the bottom I already took you a quick tour. So let us place this on the side and take a look at these new earplugs. And boy, these are actually smaller. I thought the AirPods Pro were the smallest ones till date, but these are further smaller. And this is one thing which is very important. Honestly, in the long run, when you use earbuds, you would realize the value, the left and the right markings, because that is something which makes a lot of sense. And also it comes with silicone tips. That's also a good thing. And on the earphones also we have a small LED notification. If you closely take a look here, it's continuously blinking here. So in order to activate, as it was mentioned earlier, we need to place them inside for 10 seconds and keep it inside. So let us place them inside and first take a look at the other package contents. Now that's a very empty kind of package. First thing first, we have a total of 4 additional earplugs here. So depending on the size you can just change them apart. And then also we have this I guess a small Type-C cable. I think this might be the smallest Type-C cable I would have seen. No, it's quite large. In fact, pretty long, though it's completely non-branded one. But this is what you get. So let me just pair this up and then play a music for a few seconds or few minutes actually, and then get back to you.
346 minutes later.
Well guys, after using these earplugs for a while, I can say that the music quality is actually very good. The noise cancellation is super good, and guess what, they perfectly fit. So I don't see any kind of complaints right now. There is definitely an option where you could just tap on the earphone plugs and they would just play the music. So that is one good interesting feature which I could tell you, it does have this option to play, pause, and basically change the track and everything. But one thing which I have not liked is that it works only with their high ecosystem kind of service. So I don't think it works with calling out Siri or Google, my Google search, Google Assistants basically. So that is not applicable because Honor doesn't have tie-ups with Google right now. So that could be one barrier. But then apart from that, if you are not looking for using those smart assistant services and just using these as for your calls and music, then these are actually very cool looking earplugs. Now first thing first, let me just quickly show you the size comparison. So here are the Apple AirPods Pro versus the Honor's latest Moecen. Probably these are from their sub brand or some partnered brand. But if I take a look at the size of these earplugs, you can take a look that that's the Apple AirPod Pro and that's the Honor's Bud, which is actually still further smaller, and in fact the noise cancellation also works great. So that's a good thing from Honor's side. But as I mentioned, it doesn't work for the noise assistant, or you can say the smart services. But apart from that, overall these are pretty good. 6 hours of battery life, and then apart from that 24 hours battery with this case, which is also a very good quality case. So I don't see any issues, or I would say overall I personally would say that if you're planning to buy one earplugs with noise cancellation, that's the ANC feature, and which comes with a very light form factor, very small design, then these are something which you shouldn't miss. Again, I have given you the link in the description in case you are planning to buy one. And that was a complete unboxing and a quick demo of the Honor's latest earplugs. That's it guys, I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.